Assalamu alaikum fellows, I am Faizi and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be demonstrating you how you can use Inkscape to design this simple smoke effect. Now you can use this smoke effect in a variety of designs like your posters, icons and all sort of banners. So before wasting any more time, let's get started with Inkscape. For those of you who don't know what Inkscape is, it is a free vector program that can rival the functionalities of Adobe Illustrator. Now before we start working, you need to adjust your Inkscape to have the same settings as mine. For that, first go to File and Document Properties. Here choose Display Units as Pixels. Display Units equals to Pixels, and turn off the page border where it says Show Page Border. Uncheck it and close out of it. Next thing, go to View and select Custom, and after that select Align and Distribute panel. Here click on it where there is a button says the Align and Distribute panel, and there would be another button that would say Edit Object Stroke Gradient and Arrowheads. Click on it once. So now we are in the same settings, and let's go to View, Display Mode, I'm in Zoom and 1:1. Okay, so let's get started creating the lines that will be the base for our smoke. For that, go to this pen tool, draw freehand lines, or just press F6 on your keyboard to get the tool. Now change the smoothness level. There will be a bar displaying the smoothness. Change it to around 50. Yes, 50 would be good. And click this second option that says Create Spiral Path. Click on it. Okay, now we are ready to design the lines that will be the base for our smoke. Now just what you have to do, just use your mouse and draw a wavy line. Just draw freehand. No, there's no skill required for this or anything. Just draw 2 to 3 simple lines, however you want your smoke to look like. Now I would draw a little larger. Yeah, I think this is good. Once you have drawn your line, you can draw however much you like. For this tutorial I'm just going with 3 lines. Now select your move tool, select tool, and click and drag on all of the lines. After all of the lines are selected, go to Extensions, Generate from Path, and Interpolate. And let me increase the size of it a little bit so we can see more. Here we go. Okay, now in this the exponent value must be 0. Interpolation step, for now let's keep it 5, and duplicate end paths. Uncheck this value. Simply uncheck this value and click on live preview to see how it will look like. Okay, it is looking like we want, so let's change its value to 50 and see how it looks. You can see that it has started the smoke shape. The smoke shape has started to appear, and whenever we increase or decrease the value of interpolation steps, it will create or decreate the smoke effect. Now since the lines are too much visible, so we need to make it more condensed. Let's increase it to 75. Uncheck this and check this again. Let's go with 80 and hit live preview. Yes, I think this is better. After we have our desired shape, our desired smoke, what we have to do, we have to click on Apply and close. Now we have created the base of our smoke. Now select all of this, go to Path. Oh wait, before we do that, we have to ungroup this. Select this ungroup button right next to group. This is the group one and this is ungroup one. Select the ungroup button and it will ungroup all of the shapes that are making the smoke. If you zoom in, you can see that this smoke is made out of thousands of lines. not thousands actually, these are actually 80 lines in between every smoke, but you get the idea. Okay, after we have ungrouped them, go to path and click combine. Oh wait, we have to do something else. Before combining them, we have to go to path and object to path. Now then path, combine. Here our smoke design is now ready. What it needs is a little coloring or gradients. For that we need to go to stroke paint. Actually no, before going to stroke paint, let's give each and every stroke some color. For that choose the color that you want. Let's go with yellow. I decided to go give this a yellow color. Hold down shift key on your keyboard and click on the color that you want it to be. By the way, if you are wondering how am I zooming in and out, just click control button and the mouse wheel to zoom in and out of the canvas. And to pan this around, just click the middle mouse button and pan however you like. Okay, now our smoke design is basically ready. Now we need to give it a gradient. For that, go to strokes paint tab here in the fill and stroke menu and click this I think let's give it a radial gradient. Click this radial button, the fourth button from X here, and here you can see that our smoke is becoming more and more smoke like. Press G and we will get the handles for our radial gradient. Now we can edit out these panels as we like. Let's make it two different colors. Let's double click on here, click once and select let's select orange. Yeah, that looks good. Maybe this color. Yes, this is also a water-like effect. So there you have it. That is how you create beautiful smoke effects in Inkscape. If you have any queries, feel free to ask them in the comment section, and if you want to download Inkscape, I will leave the link down in the description. Go ahead, download it, and see what you can do with this amazing software. So for now, that's it for this tutorial. I will see you next time. Allah Hafiz.